Tec-Option incorporates its patented station-to-station design technology into most of our projects whenever possible. This project has a dual-head robot system and is welding two parts at the same time in the right-hand station while the operator is unloading and reloading the left-hand station. This project is also a robotic MIG welder with several child parts required to be loaded in each station. It also has the station-to-station technology where the operator is unloading and reloads one side of the machine while the other side is welding. This project was a turnstile type machine where once again the operator is unloading and reloading while the machine is welding. Notice the flip fixture design making it fast and efficient. Lastly, here's another MIG welder using the same station-to-station technology. This patented system allows the machine to run 100% of the time, giving you up to twice the production of a standard weld machine.